How to use the Volunteer Management Information System. First, you need to register yourself as an organization, a focal person, or a volunteer. If you want to volunteer, you can click on Volunteer Registration, select the organization that you want to join, and press Submit. Please note that you can select multiple organizations. Upon approving your duly filled form, you'll receive your user credentials in the email provided. You can then log in to the system. Once you are logged in, you can view your dashboard, add your profile details, various skills, or apply for an event. Depending on that event, you'll earn your volunteering hours. You can easily monitor your records with real-time insight. You'll be awarded medals based on your volunteering hours and eventually get the chance to win the Volunteer of the Month award. You'll also have access to free resources like documents, audio files, and video clips. Be a volunteer and register today at vmis.bhutanyouth.org.